Hello neighbors, welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Today I'm back out in the pumpkin patch once again because we have some more exciting news. We have our first pumpkin flower, and in fact I should say pumpkin flowers because we have several down here too. So today is actually 2nd of June. By the time you watch this it'll be the weekend. But this is pretty early. Quite frankly, we're usually just planting our pumpkins right about now. So this is very early. And we'll tell you, we've been trying to get ahead of the game this year, and it looks like it worked with our pumpkins. And let me give you a closer look. I love pumpkins. One of the reasons I love growing pumpkins is the flowers are just beautiful, not just the color, but the size. Wait till you see how big this is. So here you go. This is a close-up, and you can see compared to my hand it is far larger than my hand. You know, see inside there, look how big that is compared to my fingers. That's ginormous. And look at the color. Look at the bright yellow and orange, and there's a little bit of green inside there. And if I come around this side, you will see down at the base right there is a pumpkin. There's a pumpkin. And now you can see what it looks like also from the other side too. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that. The beautiful shape and the colors and the way the light shines through it. I just love that. And then there's like the coils here of the tendrils. And again, down here from this side, you can see the pumpkin and the flower. Now down below, down here, there are a couple of male flowers. So you can see there's no pumpkin on these flowers. They are just regular male flowers, and they're going to cross-pollinate the one with the pumpkin. And I've already seen some bees in here, so we are getting pollinated. We will have a pumpkin. So that's the news from the Ponderosa. Oh, look, there's a bee in it right now. So we garden here in zone 10A, and pumpkins are a really good crop. They love to climb, they love to run. The thing is, we found we have to get them started early because things stop growing somewhere in August, and if the pumpkins aren't fully ripe, sometimes we don't get any. And one more thing is, I actually don't know what kind of pumpkin this is. I planted 3 different kinds. I planted just a generic jack-o'-lantern, and then there's a white pumpkin called a Casper, and there's another one that makes the small pumpkins. I'm not sure which one this is because I planted all 3 kinds of seeds in here. So it'll be fun finding out what kind of pumpkin. So stay tuned. I will keep you posted with updates as the pumpkin ripens. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.